Welcome to today's video on the role of carbohydrates in sports nutrition. Whether you're a professional athlete or just enjoy an active lifestyle, understanding the importance of carbohydrates can help take your performance to the next level. Carbohydrates are one of the three macronutrients, along with proteins and fats. They provide our bodies with the energy needed to perform physical activities. During exercise, our muscles primarily rely on carbohydrates for fuel. They are the body's preferred source of energy for high-intensity workouts. Consuming the right amount and type of carbohydrates before, during, and after exercise is essential for optimal performance and recovery. There are two main types of carbohydrates, complex and simple. Complex carbohydrates, like whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, contain longer chains of sugar molecules. They provide a steady release of energy over a longer period. On the other hand, simple carbohydrates, found in fruits, sports drinks, and sugary snacks, are quickly broken down into glucose and provide a rapid source of energy. Determining the right amount of carbohydrates for your specific needs depends on factors such as body weight, activity level, and goals. Dietitian: it's important to work with a registered dietitian or sports nutritionist who can help you personalize your carbohydrate intake based on your individual requirements. Including a mix of complex and simple carbohydrates in your meals can provide sustained energy and help replenish glycogen stores in your muscles. For endurance athletes, such as marathon runners or cyclists, consuming carbohydrates during prolonged exercise can help maintain performance by delaying fatigue. After exercise, consuming carbohydrates alongside protein can enhance muscle recovery and glycogen replenishment. Hydration also plays a crucial role in sports nutrition. Carbohydrates help with fluid absorption and can be found in sports drinks and electrolyte solutions. When selecting carbohydrate-rich foods, pay attention to the nutritional labels. Look for whole grain options, moderate portion sizes, and avoid added sugars whenever possible. Remember, carbohydrates are your body's fuel for performance. By understanding the role they play in sports nutrition and making informed choices, you can optimize your energy levels, endurance, and recovery. Thanks for watching.